Hi, I'm Cedric from Ratings.com. This is another weekly improvement on the website. This week, we are changing the way we measure input lag. In the past, we used the Leo Bodnar tool, but we've now made our own tool to support more features like input lag at 120 Hz. In this video, we will go over how it works and the new functionalities. The Leo Bodnar tool is good since it is very easy to use and it is a standalone device. But you can't control the output signal. It is fixed at either 720p or 1080p and 60 frames per second. We must chain it with other tools to support more resolutions, which works, but you still can't change the frame rate. To get rid of these limitations, we made a USB tool. The downside of this is you need a computer to use it, but it is a lot more powerful. Here's how it works. First, the PC generates a white frame in OpenGL in exclusive mode and starts a timer at the same time. Then, it waits for the tool to detect a white frame. The tool detects the frame using a series of photodiodes connected to an Arduino and sends that back to the PC via USB. The time we measured would change depending on the timing of the scan line. To account for this, we do hundreds of measurements at different intervals. This gives us a spread. That spread would vary depending on the frame rate, the scan-out speed, and whether the screen has features like G-Sync. The result we report is the middle. We will do another video that explains more in depth how G-Sync and the other technologies affect that spread. The whole chain from the PC back to the tool via USB adds no more than 1 milliseconds, and we've confirmed that our results are within 0.5 milliseconds of the Leo Bodnar tool. With this new tool, we can now measure input lag for any signal a PC can generate, including 1080p at 120 Hz. Here are the results for all TVs in our lab that supports a 120 Hz input. We can also use this tool to replace the way we measure response time and backlight flickering. As you saw in a previous video about response time, we were using an oscilloscope with a photodiode. But now, we can automate this test with our new tool, which saves us a few hours of testing per TV. So that's it. With this new tool, we can now measure input lag for more resolutions and frame rates, and it will also speed up our testing. If you like what we're doing, subscribe to our channel or become a contributor, and see you next time.